Alright, what's up everybody? It is Ted here with Bodies and Wicks. Oh, thank you. You didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that at all. That was nice of you. So nice of you. But here on Monday, I guess, huh? The day after the holiday. I was going to do a set last night, but time got away from me, and fortunately I wasn't able to do one. So I'm able to do one now. So and it's gonna be over the same thing. It's gonna be over the same thing. Where are we? Where are we in this roller coaster? You know, are we safe? Are we coming back? Are we, where exactly are we? And I cut something off too short. That's for sure. Because it was going higher. I closed EOS. I had an EOS trade going just now, and thought I was gonna hit a bearish order block and return back for a little bit, and it's growing like mad. So I wish I was still in EOS. I would probably gained a substantial bit more, well, a little bit more by now. Looks like it is starting to fall back a little bit, but if you were like me, anyways, well, I guess I should introduce myself and do that whole thing. My name is Ted, and this is my thing I do called Bodies and Wicks. And what it is it is your way to my version of smart money. Alright, and if you don't know what smart money is, it is basically trying to teach you how to get around the guys that have all the money, who have the influence, who know the ins and the outs of the the trading game. They unfortunately this whole thing, this whole game that we play, it's okay. I was making sure I wasn't muted. Um, it's all an algorithm. Hate to tell you, this is all an algorithm. One giant algorithm, and it it plays by its own rules. And I'm getting to know the algorithm. I'm getting to know it pretty well, and so that's why I'm here. I can't teach you everything I know, but all I can say is, if you look at the charts and study the charts long enough, you'll start picking up on things, and everything that the retail people tell you, such as like buy it, support, sell it, resistance. The double top, whenever it gets to triple top, sell. Don't listen to that crap. That's all a bunch of made up crap, and it's going to make you go broke. You have to think outside of the box, and you have to think about what the people with the money would be doing. Not what you would be doing, not what the books would be telling you to be doing, but what the people with the money would be hoping you would be doing, so they can take your money. That's the point. Alright, that's the point of smart money. So, earlier this week, I did a couple videos on Ethereum, and I was saying, hey, the algorithm's looking good. You guys should definitely jump back in. And ever since I had posted those videos, it's still been doing good. It hasn't went parabolic or anything like that, but I actually called. I said we'd be at $3,000, and before the end of this week, is what I said. and we are currently sitting at 2,689. We have made it. We made it up to 2,700. Made it up to 2,700 on the dot, I think. Well, I guess what we could do is to take a look at it and see what's going on. So here we have Ethereum on a 5-minute chart. We're kind of zoomed in here, so hold on. Let me get this all straightened out. We should probably break this out a little bit wider into the day range. So, and I do have a lot of notes on my charts, so please forgive me because I like to draw my charts, make notes. As you can see, there was a lot back here in the day whenever we were moving up. Not a whole lot whenever we were going parabolic, because that was just the waiting game to see what was going to happen once we got to the top. As you can see, there's a couple at the top, and then I put negative order block, and as soon as I put negative order block, boom, it fell. And of course, and now we are at the bottom, and as you can see, I had two lines drawn. This yellow line here and this orange line here. I'd had those drawn forever, believe it or not, because they represent either liquidity or either some kind of order block or something of that effect. And funny thing is that it hit the first line exactly, almost right on the dot, and the second one almost hit that one right on the dot, and that was a breaker. Both of these are breakers, actually. So it was almost like I called the bottom. I didn't even realize I was calling the bottom. But you know, I have a couple more lines down here too, so I shouldn't speak too soon, because we could eventually find ourselves down this way. And damn it, YouTube is telling me that it's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. What is wrong with this thing lately? It was like it was working perfectly like a few days ago. My last stream it did this. Now it's doing this. I don't know what it could be wrong. What, I have everything that I possibly imagine turned off. They could be pulling any extra. Go in the settings here. Turn my Wi-Fi off my phone. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. I don't think it's helping. Nothing's working. It's still saying YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Open widget. What's your widget telling me? YouTube is not receiving enough video. You know what? I think I know what the issue is. Let me see if I can go into edit and fix this real quick. Or not into edit, cancel. Stream settings. No, it's on low latency. Well, you know what, guys? Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do what I did